Hey there, savvy shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. That's right, we're comparing the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the Apevia Spirit 600W. So, buckle up, because these two are about to battle it out for the title of Best PSU for your buck. Spoiler alert, no one actually gets hurt in this fight. Let's kick things off with the price. The Thermaltake Smart 700W is priced at a cool $67. That's like 2 pizzas or 1 pizza and a small loan. Meanwhile, the Apevia Spirit 600W comes in at a shocking $45. That's basically a meal for two at a fast food joint. Reviewers love the Apevia Spirit for its budget-friendly price, making it a great option for those looking to save a few bucks. However, many Thermaltake users feel that the extra investment is worth it for the reliability and performance it offers. Now, let's talk power. The Thermaltake rocks a solid 700W of continuous power. That's enough juice to power your gaming rig and possibly your neighbor's toaster. Meanwhile, the Apevia Spirit is sitting at 600W. It's like the Thermaltake is doing bench presses, while the Spirit is just trying to lift its own grocery bags. Reviewers of the Thermaltake praise its ability to handle high-power demands without thermal issues, making it an excellent choice for gaming builds. On the other hand, users of the Apevia Spirit appreciate its sufficient power for budget builds, particularly for mid-range systems. Next up, fan noise. The Thermaltake boasts an ultra-quiet 120mm fan. It's so quiet, you might think it's practicing for a silent retreat. On the other hand, the Apevia Spirit has a fan too, but it's auto-thermally controlled, which sounds fancy. But let's be real. If it starts making noise, you might think you're hosting a rock concert in your PC case. Users of the Thermaltake rave about its ultra-quiet operation, while Apevia Spirit users mention the fan is quiet but can be unpredictable under load, leading to mixed opinions on noise levels. Now, let's discuss warranties. The Thermaltake comes with a generous 5-year warranty. That's like a long-term relationship where you don't have to deal with any drama. Meanwhile, the Apevia Spirit, well, it doesn't mention a warranty. So it's like jumping into a relationship with a mysterious stranger. Exciting? Yes. Risky? Also yes. Reviewers of the Thermaltake praise the peace of mind that comes with a long warranty, while some Apevia Spirit users express concerns about the lack of warranty and reported failures in some units, making it a gamble for potential buyers. Finally, let's get into the nitty-gritty features. The Thermaltake is 80+ certified, meaning it's energy efficient. It's like the eco-friendly superhero of power supplies. And it also has well-ready technology, whatever that means. But hey, it sounds impressive. Reviewers highlight its energy efficiency and low operational noise. On the flip side, the Apevia Spirit has heavy-duty protections, including short-circuit and over-temperature protection. So if your PC decides to throw a tantrum, the Spirit is there to save the day. However, some reviewers noted that it requires proper connections to function correctly, or it won't power on, leading to frustrating experiences. Overall, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is highly praised for its reliability, power output, and long warranty, making it a favorite among gamers and PC builders. Meanwhile, the Apevia Spirit 600W is recognized for its affordability and decent performance for budget builds, though it comes with some risks regarding quality and warranty. So who's the winner in this electrifying showdown? If you want more power, a longer warranty, and a quieter experience, the Thermaltake Smart 700W is your best bet. But if you're looking for budget-friendly, decent power, and don't mind a little drama, then the Apevia Spirit 600W is calling your name. Whichever you choose, remember to always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more hilarious comparisons. Until next time, keep your systems powered up and your wallets happy.